Hi, guys. So now in chapter 2, we're going to be focusing on the structure of art as it pertains to different art forms like two-dimensional, three-dimensional, and even four-dimensional artwork. And we're also going to be learning the elements and principles of design. Now, these two areas are really, really important because they lay the groundwork for our visual art vocabulary. We're going to leave the balance of chapter 2 until we work in chapter 3. So you'll notice with your chapter 2 module in Canvas, there are two voiceover PowerPoints. You need to watch them both. The 16-week class got this one divided into 2 weeks, but you're the lucky ones. You get it all at once. So now our text is a little too vague for my liking when they're explaining the different kinds of two-dimensional, three-dimensional, and four-dimensional art. So I put some supplementary videos in there to help explain each one a little more detail. I'm a visual learner. It's easier for me to see it, and it has more of an impact on me than just reading it. Okay, so next we're going to be working with the elements and principles of design and how they are the foundation for the art, the language of art. We're also going to be learning the difference between a design and a composition, two definitely different terms. Now, in order to understand the concepts of elements and principles, I've always used the analogy of a baseball player. In order to play baseball, there are some things you have to have. A baseball, a bat, bases. The other stuff is nice to have, but it isn't essential. Those three things you have to have. So that's like the elements of art. The elements of art are the things you have to have in order to create art. Now, the principles of design, that's how you use those elements. So just like a pitcher can take the same baseball and throw a variety of pitches, slider, rise ball, curve ball, throw a strike, throw a ball. All of that can be done with the same baseball, the same element. So the principles of design are the way we use and organize the elements. So thinking in terms of that might help you distinguish between the elements and principles a little easier. So now when we understand these aspects of art, we've got essential tools that will help us to become visually literate, and then we will be able to read an artwork, and we will be able to form intelligent responses to artwork. So here we go with chapter 2.